I'm going to show you how to build a wood fence gate that's easy, sturdy, and won't sag. This project should take about 4 to 5 hours. Let's start by taking 3 measurements: the distance between the nearest points of the posts, the distance between the fence rails, and the number of fence pickets needed. Then gather your materials: 2x4s, fence pickets, screws, and gate hinges. I recommend this one. To begin, cut the top and bottom rails of the gate 1 inch shorter than the nearest distance between the posts. Lay the rails on a flat surface and position them appropriately, ensuring they are squared up. I used a 4x4 for a straight edge. Next, cut a 2x4 to be used as a diagonal brace to prevent sagging over time. Attach the rails to the diagonal brace to form a V shape using 4-inch screws. Now, attach 2 fence pickets to the rails on the hinge side using 1-inch and 5/8 screws. Then, attach the hinges to the gate by marking the screw hole locations and pre-drilling with a 3/16 inch drill bit. Screwing the lag bolts using an impact driver. Once the gate is almost ready to be hung, install 1 more 2x4 as a support for the gate latch. Now, position the gate by the post you will be mounting it to, ensuring it is aligned with the fence pickets. Mark the top hinge and install it. Then hang the gate by placing the pin, and mark the location for the bottom hinge. Install the bottom hinge. After this, attach the rest of the pickets to the gate and install the latch. I hope this helps. See you in the next one.